Jangan.
Wow. Sadar. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hey, how are you guys? Hope everyone is well.
It's me again, and it's Imar again.
Yes.
Okay, so today kat dalam kitchen we are going to be doing another. Jangan masak menari-menari. So untuk this episode, again kita nak buat Imar punya favorite.
But this time it's
jangan dipanggil nama Imar's favorite.
Yeah, but this time it's my favorite dessert. Kalau kau nak tahu, I ni memang kaki manis. My dessert. So tonight we'll be doing
what? You will be doing cake. What? Guess what? Guess what? Pula dulu tadi. And guess what? Bahan-bahannya adalah number 1, Milo.
It's not sponsored by Milo by the way, but Milo, yeah.
Milo Biscuit Mary, susu pekat, plantar sebab kita orang tak ada butter, some vanilla essence, some Ovaltine because we don't have cocoa powder, but we're not sure whether we're going to use all of this stuff sebab ada yang pakai telur apa semua, but I don't think so.
Yeah.
Use telur kan?
I don't know. I think it's gonna look good and smell good. Can't wait. It's my favorite.
Let's get started. Okay guys, so for the first thing that Ima patut buat, my sous chef.
Yes,
You ready
chef.
for this?
I'm ready, chef.
Take the Biscuit Mary and patah-patahkan
Wow,
inside there.
that's so difficult, chef. Thank you, chef.
You can do it. So sementara I tunggu this periuk panas, I will put some margarine and put inside the bowl. So I dapat budget berapa banyak I'm going to use.
Should we use every Biscuit Mary or no?
All
All of them.
of them.
Wow.
Might as well.
Semua patahkan, pecahkan.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna start doing the hardest part now, which is crushing the biscuit into perfection.
Fuh. So dah panas. Tak payah letak apa-apa kan, jangan pergi letak minyak ke apa, just put the margarine.
Oh sayang,
Okay sayang?
ini Biscuit Mary berbeza kopi.
Alamak. Apalah, kita cuba je. Tak nampak. Feeder dari tu kan. Tak pernah beli Biscuit Mary. Oh, so nampak tak butter dia dah start cair. Dan gula.
Macam asal Biscuit Mary ni gelap sikit? That was me.
Apa? It could be interesting.
Yeah.
Coffee biscuit.
Boleh fight.
Thank you.
Dalgona coffee.
Oh. Dalgona.
Oh, dah start nyanyi dah. I think korang pun dah tahu dah rutin kita orang kan. Ada je Karena. Tapi biar orang cakap,
Karena.
orang cakap kalau menyanyi dalam kitchen, nanti kahwin dua.
Itu sebelum kahwin. Dah kahwin tak boleh lah nak kahwin dua.
Dah, sorry.
Itu dulu masa before I tahu yang aku cakap nyanyi-nyanyi je. Bukan kahwin dua lah. Oh, mungkin kalau orang dah kahwin, dia kahwin dua. Tapi kalau orang belum kahwin, kahwin orang tua lah. Kalau menyanyi sambil masak.
Ya.
Dia kot. Saya salah.
Cuba korang komen kat bawah. Kamu tak
Orang
tahu
beritahu.
benda ni.
Tapi tak silap ada something yang kahwin dengan orang tua. So takut. Okay, so dengan cair.
Alright, done chef.
Done?
Done chef.
Okay guys, so nampak tak margarine dia dah jadi macam tu. So now you masukkan susu pekat. So ikut berapa banyak manis. 1, 2, lebih lagi 1. Okay dah.
Nice.
Okay, sebab tak nak manis sangat. Apa ni manis? Tak sure.
I tak suka manis sangat guys, I don't know why.
Masuk ke manis. Black.
I selalu makan roti canai air dengan tu.
Okay, so nampak tak?
What is next, B?
So sekarang, next kita letak sikit vanilla essence. Apparently sebab ada yang letak. So, we're just curious. I'll try.
Tapi sikit je kan dia cakap?
Sikit je. Very, very little ni ada. Bekas butter tadi. Ush. Okay dah. Wow. Takut.
Apa tu?
Takut tak sedap. So dia dah melegap kat situ. So now we put in the Milo. Di dalam 5 sudu. 1, 2. Okay, so kita gaul sampai dia party tak ada ketul-ketulan ni, okay? Okay, so tadi kita orang tambah lagi Milo. So now look at that texture. Memang pakai apa? Whisk tu, cepat kan?
Okay, whisk ini dalam
Kena hilangkan
ini
ketulan.
dalam V6 punya speed. Kuat dia punya pusingan. Oh, smells so good ya.
Yes?
Ya, sedap lah. I didn't know it was so easy to make rice.
Yes. So nanti just kena letak a bit of garam, nak bagi dia masing-masing sikit. Actually tak payah. Sorry.
So kita
Scrap
pakai
that.
margarine.
Scrap that. Yes, sebab kita dah pakai margarine. Should we, or this is just like the same as Milo? Ke tak payah?
Sama macam Milo je.
Kan? Tak payahlah. Keep it simple.
Ni dah bau sedap gila, Bi.
Yeah, okay. A bit more sampai hilang ketulan dia. Okay, so that looks good. Emma dah whisk it well. Good job, sayang.
Okay.
Okay, now we put in, dah turn off the heat ni? Okay, so kita dah turn off the ni. Kita beri cool down sikit, so that nanti the biscuit is still rangup. Okay, so now it's time for me to put in the biscuit. Mary, so kita ambil special sikit tadi. Coffee flavored. Basically, just bowl. Caranya you guys boleh simpan sikit kat luar kalau korang nak macam for presentation. But sorry. Okay, good. So now we can put it in a bekas and set it like sejuk sikit in dalam fridge. Okay, so after that, voila, you can eat it. Okay. Okay, so now our sous chef want Emar. Since dia suka presentation, so he's gonna put it in Tupperware. Put it nicely so that we can put it in the fridge. So how's it going, chef?
It's beautiful. Not to place it where it's supposed to be. Snow. Brilliant. Beautiful. Salt, pepper. It's good.
Okay, so last but not least, guys, korang kena ratakan macam tu.
Oh, look at that. Sticky shit.
Okay dah. Ima, ya Allah, sampai pakai tangan.
Whoa, look at that.
Yes.
Presentation.
Okay, so now letak dalam fish. Yummy.
A few moments later.
Alright.
Oh my god, so exciting, baby.
Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. How are we gonna cut it? Use this besar punya pisau. Okay, so it looks like it's perfectly. Oh my god. Okay, jap. I think kita kena bawa keluar. Struggle is real. Okay. Yes.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh my god, Kek Batik Coffee Biscuit Mary. Biscuit Mary Coffee. Oh my god, tak sabarnya.
It's so good, Iman. You should try it. You guys should try it. Good luck trying it at home. Okay, Batik. Milo coffee. What's your verdict for a first timer? Kena jujur.
The blend of Coffee Biscuit Mary dia dengan the chocolate is so perfect.
And the Milo kan?
Oh my god, sedap gila. It's so good. You guys must try at home. I tak tahu macam mana Aina keep doing all this first time punya thing jadi. Tak tahu magic apa lah. Sedap gila.
That's good. It's good because it's not sweet. I tak makan benda manis, but I approve this one. Sebab dia macam pahit-pahit coffee sikit. Nice. So, good luck trying.